Yeah, fine.
E de nyame ase. Utwa ma oni ma de amete.
Dey na ote.
Yam papa.
Oh sir.
Oh. Me hu ade kron so.
Minti me nya advertisement kufu bi. But anya we gra no. Me hu na ye hwan unim se Rezone account.
Sure. Yeah, we. Sentina make us minimum ade kro.
Okay, nice. Nice. Unim say they are Rezone 72 hours no.
Too much.
Eka ho. Unim say ya catch em kofo say. Uye den udware wi a wo bepe se odi deodorant be go.
Sure.
Uni perfume kra na nya deodorant. Na deodorant do na wo dwaman so. But they be recommend the amount. If you say eye papa, e sham na bon ho ban, eye Rezone for there no. E bon ho ban 72 hours. Emma bacteria na men fifre etew na man kaba ho no emba ho because en fifre ni po entimental ana ho akwakoyinka. Nti baabi a wo to deodorant bia no me sew. Se wo koto deodorant insist say omoma wo Rezone 72 hours no eno ebi na wo pe. Baabi e to deodorant bia wo nsa beka bi. Na emu so wo cosmetic shop ana se wo be so tu no duduom na oton ma foforo na wako beauty glow ho. Udru PZ edum PZ a omo two shops a be as a pharmacy ho. Udu kageti Dubai store number G1549 omo shop e ho opposite gate 8 in the same building na CBG ewo no beauty glow e ho o akra na wuti yen so a Makola mall anasa Makola Central Market ho a onsa ebeka beauty glow se wo Kumase na ubetimi akoda di ash so ho a onsa ebetimi akabi daddy ash our Mesesa Noche Plaza building ni mo opposite Boss FM wana onsa ebetimi akam wo takra den so a Market Circle adjacent Carbang na na wo nkan so kan shi advanced savings opposite ho onsa ebeka daddy ash obetimi afred daddy ash I was 0531 013881 0531 013881 and as a 0244772599 na enye deodorant nko almost at the locks semina no fufo kra aba varieties wom ehwam na eboa wo skin no ema no etoso nti bia oto semina bia odi dware eya na o ma no aye locks so locks no so open dodo atu a na wa fra big jake I was 0244812364 0244812364 so oba so ni Univer International for edin koma obetimi afrom I was 0543 384 958 0543 384 958 Rich Champions League in here done because he football fans, big ones. Na enra enioma be brain ekoso. Enen so enioma be koso. Na eni dey two from kitue bi e Champions League no because for me said anya bibia e dos be brebia. I think enra Juventus players need disappointed Spalletti. And the way Galatasaray fans no atmosphere no mo create no e Juve for nsem. And Rich adia e dimpa in football and say obeko venue bi na supporters no atmosphere no mo create no any players no mo gina park no so no ahofama no energy ni hia e fa sa na sa synergy ni fa Edding. Anra. Gala na koshe first go. Juve tisho mu 2-1. But the free chire ba no. Enso bo a say bonga se pete also. Juventus gave some chances away so easily. Gala make sure say they played with intensity. And mu draw from Momo fans, you know. And the only missing point in this 5-2 win for Gala Victor Osimhen only score sheet in so. But Rich, and all she game ni bia. Ni hu bon goals ni bebre mu with the pressing, the presence, and the energy levels na or the game ni mu no. Ni movement. Oh, and Gala gave 5-star performance. 5-star performance. They forced Juve to make a lot of mistakes, and they were so clinical and on point. Say on back kill it, you know, or take it even before they travel to Turin or Italy. It was a very, very good resource. And the match team, my friend Galatasaray, and our brand friend Sarah, and the young man of the match, super performance. Now, and you make games, you know. Me share first half na the Stadio de Lou Monaco against Paris Saint-Germain. Because I had predicted, say, me Gini say Monaco, anyone it takes to beat PSG. But in the first half, they will not lose to PSG. Rich, and when PSG trying for you now, ma wo omo throughout the season in one game. They are good. So omo bo on a bar. Na so omo ka so omo no tie gina bar. They are one of the best in the world. But Rich, they have their sleeping moments. And that is the correct description of PSG today. And Enra, ni see in the game. Could you believe, sir, you started game in the first minute in a Balogumpa? PSG, person Moteka, 18th minute, Balagumpa, 2-0. Then they had a penalty.
To kill the game.
To at least crawl themselves back into the game. Vitinha Bejina Hua, no Abonaki party. Luis Enrique Jinaba in Chuano said, no. It seems I have forced Dembele into the game. Or I have fit. And until he's not giving me maximum sending person me team a movie. And in the first half, around 28 minutes, and we Usman Dembele. And we did the series do come. And that was the turning point. Do we share why he was voted the Copa Player of the Season, as in the youngest player in the world? Which Obamuna, you saw Team FNO, Paris Saint-Germain changing their fortunes to win. It is as if even the first touch was one goal, and Obama got 2-1. Then from there, things started to turn. First half, no Romotica 2-2. In the second half, they added one goal. Only 3-2. Elko packed the Prince, and you know, say the tie is already dead for Tima Yefeno Monaco. Enra was a decided way a game, and he made sure say of free bench ever affecting game. No, who said the Dortmund Atlanta game started 15 minutes after Obia started the game, and Marche games now move on 8 o'clock in the evening. Yama half time. And I was still watching the channel now AU Monaco PSG. And to my phone, I'm in check. And I will say my phone, my notification say Dortmund I say. And so I make say, oh, say Dortmund I started the same time. So I switched my TV. Which who else? Abantia Yefeno Seru Gurasi na washe the first goal. Onwa in the second half, Onwa in the first half, it provided assist for Maximilian Bayer and on the second goal account. And right there, it was a day for him. Say Atlanta any pedigree at this level and Dortmund everything. Yeah, they are very, very good team when it comes to the Champions League. And Enra, at least they make sure say they will be comfortable going to Bergamo. Akushia Tima, your friend Atlanta. Then to the game, I go fast in Abai. And when I catch you, say Benfica, ain't me in Real Madrid. This is the knockout stage. Champions League, I feel the airball. Who share me in the good face 4-2? It doesn't mean anything to Real Madrid. And Emmanuel one say a starting game, no. Benfica were dominating. Rich. And now, Ushe game ni dia. Real Madrid wanted to take the title to the Bernabeu. That was the intention of the team. Hey, let's make sure say yeah the title. Yeah, better free Portugal. Near the Ako Spain. Near book game no Santiago Bernabeu. And see, you dominating them, they don't care. All that they need to do is to stay in the game and wait for their moments. Then, Rich, that moment came. Super goal. Rich, super strike. Super strike. Keeper Ubechu Musa Dien. There is no way on Sabeka without one rich. Super strike from Abanti FN Vinicius Jr. But what caused the problem? You see, you drew baby say football more. Now you have the job to do analysis on the situation, Miss Aya. I have learned to avoid a strong perspective because one year, the person who is watching or listening to you, Rich, because or no already know our not general situation no may either extremely disagree with you or extremely agree with you. But to me, in these situations, we say, Rich, there is in between subjectiveness. And see, the best way you can do is to project the facts of the matter. Not say if any of the decisions around Adiano is hinged on law, let the person read it. Rich, after that super goal, Vinicius went to one of the corner lines. The corner pony is here. A Benfica for flag and a seesaw. And baby O'Shea goal was baby of Benfica fans and an etio. Then he went to dance with the flag. Obubu atopache flag, no. The interpretation of that to the supporters is that real. Now, and can only say that your problem. Then so she gave me here. Rich, you saw the referee go to maybe a Real Madrid for the celebration. And I say, yeah. Mas Jibonibia. Then he told Federico Valverde, the captain, he said, look, for time's sake, let's move. Rich, I want to end up Benfica for players. Let's say, Omo bar around the situation. And so, but the referee said, look, and Tio Biamomi Yanko, say, possible now, all this at 2 Then came this action.
Vinicius Junior, son of Betty.
Yes.
No, she just.
Until after Yakasa, referee so Yanko Park and so no. I want to Vinicius Junior, Pajani just in a church home say, I don't know. And if you watch this video very, very carefully, it is when Opejani just, and a pristine ban in chain, then the referee came to show him the yellow card. Because I have already told you, say, a year celebration, Munchas on the Yanko. So why do you still want to instigate the situation? This is the video. This is not me. You can clearly watch it. Saoka Baka. It's opening the flag. You will see the referee come in.
Hustler, video not the same.
Yes. Then is the referee come in to say, remember yellow card. Now, Rich, and yeah, I'm not a referee. They just on the Vinicius yellow card. Vinicius won any. And now, Oji said Vinicius is overdoing things. In the IFAB laws, laws of the game, 2025-2026, law 12 and the car about fouls and misconduct. In the law 12, Rich, there is a whole caption that talks about celebration of a goal in the FIFA laws. You read the first part or say, players can celebrate when a goal is scored. But the celebration must not be excessive.
Okay, Nhyira Broso.
Choreographed celebrations are not encouraged.
Okay.
Say Yasheguaria, as a Mari Heze, Asemi, Namu Sabo, and you encouraged by FIFA. It is in the law. Choreographed celebrations are not encouraged and must not cause excessive time wasting.
Okay.
It is clear. And the referee didn't show Vinicius because the NR supporters say, hey, no. On the front Nidian say your celebration must have a limit. And my name moves to be brave. And I'm fun wasting time. Because I say, let's go. And this is the law. Now you see, then comes this. Who say, Rich, the yellow card to Vinicius is a separate situation from the racism we know. Norwich. Assembly Kedi, Papa. One, it is Vinicius West, collaborated by Mbappe West, as against Prestiani and Benfica for West. You may see now, nobody has given us any evidence to show say, oh, I am no crab and a guy. And the Vinicius so I rent an enemy color, any deal matem. I rent an so me man casa. Why didn't you? It is true. Rich Vinicius say or more than. And for Vinicius to run to the referee and say, look, and no man rent and catch me no me mama order. But see here, what can you be a family color who they did matem? Rich, dear Vinicius TVB.
According to Vinicius, or Kamuno.
But I rent and also man casa. And Utasma Jose Mourinho so catch Vinicius. Or say me call Vinicius hono. Among a normal catch and say club where friend Benfica. The greatest player ever is Eusebio or your black. The supporters know their history. Even on the pitch, there were a lot of the Benfica players, they are black. Rich Oko Portugal. There are people out here Portuguese who are black. None of them they are black people. And Jose Mourinho wanted to create the impression say Benfica can never be a racist club. Because in their history, there is a lot of blackness. Rich, but at least the European government body of football, so UEFA, I say the official report from the matches played last night are currently being reviewed. Jomo review where matters are reported, proceedings are open, and should they lead to disciplinary sanctions being imposed, they are announced on the UEFA disciplinary website. We have no further information to provide you or any further comments to make on this matter. Until investigations are on there, and they will go into the matter and one and the games in 1 minute. Newcastle will have to adopt the Paris Saint-Germain approach in a way. Bring the game to St. James. But Rich, they are one of the teams that are so stubborn in scoring goals. And it's until you saw the game in the back St. James, be prepared to concede and be prepared to score. That is the only way you can bring a tire healthy at the Abba St. James. So an over 1.5 in the car back any Newcastle game no. Look, say Usha Bodoni Inter. On paper, Inter look likely say Omono wedding. But Rich, the Bodo they are young for this season in the Champions League,
including Man City.
I think you have to play safe. Inter, even though they are very compact, they are very fluid. Bodo has already shown their goal scoring prowess, especially Norway. So why don't you go for goals in this game too? The most complicated game and the rest of the two. No? Club Brugge, almost so I know Medum, but they are a very, very good side. Atletico Madrid after beating Barcelona, Mekacho lost to Real Vallecano, Porto 3-0. They want to qualify to the next stage of the competition. And they think, say, so much more qualify or wonder, they must get a very, very good result out of Belgium. Very, very complicated game, but I'm expecting over 1.5 in that game. Greece Olympiacos ne Bayern for Leverkusen game no. Rich, I'm sure you're about to say Galatasaray any Juve game in the but when the basic goes in the brain, that one you will never know because two teams are quality or team and they play as a team. And see, you remember how was that game? No, ABC a very, very complicated game, and almost the reverse leg of the Emmanuel Champions League. And see, there are some very, very good games. As usual, let me give one rollover code. Namema 2 codes for any games. Na yentimi enko yenim ewo ehonum. Which we quickly. The first one will be the rollover code. No. So the rollover code no BW 3D 688 2DA. BW3D 688 2DA. And I code me, you know. And so BW3D 68B 525. Then the last one BW3D 68E855. Into BW3D 68E855, BW3D 68B525. I have for an echo, so I think back 6 or back 7 hours. Then the rollover a BW3D 6882DA. O call me social media handles ningina on sa ebetimi aka na yetimi. I will say ebetimi enye skedi. Okay. And games na
Philaman